everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about canned fruit. Canned fruit, well, two different types of canned fruit. There's the ones you buy from the store in the cans or jars, and the stuff you do at home. Either one is what I'm talking about, whatever you can do. Canned fruit has several aspects involved with prepping, one of which is it's a morale booster. If you've never had canned fruit on a day when you're being all bummed out, glummy, blue, whatever you want to call it, down in the dumps, canned fruit can pick you up. I know as a kid, it was one of the things I looked forward to coming home from a bad day at school was to be able to pop open a can of peaches or apricots and having some canned fruit. So add fruit to your preps. But if you're getting canned fruit that's in a can, try not to get the ones that have the pop top on it. Yes, it's convenient to pop open, not having to use the can opener to crank it open, but that's also a weak spot on the cans because that's where if the can is going to degrade and fail, it's going to be where that pop top indentation is at the top there because the metal is thinner there. All right, so add canned fruit to your preps for good taste and just, making yourself feel better. All right. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicines, skills, and canned fruit just to make you feel better. Why? Well, this is why.